In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create shipping label on Shopify. Running an online store means making sure orders are shipped out smoothly and on time. One of Shopify's best features is the ability to create and print shipping labels directly from your dashboard without needing any third-party service. In this full guide, I'll walk you through the process of creating a shipping label in Shopify from start to finish. Once you log into your Shopify admin, head over to the Orders section. Now open the order you want to fulfill. Inside the order details, you'll notice the option to create a shipping label. When you click on it, Shopify automatically fills in the customer's shipping address. So your main task is to review and confirm that the details are correct. From there, you can add the package weight and dimensions and then select the shipping carrier and service that works best. Shopify partners with major carriers such as USPS, UPS, DHL, and others depending on your region, and the system will display the available rates for you. After choosing the carrier service, you can proceed to purchase the label. The cost is billed directly to your Shopify account, and once payment is made, your label is ready for download. Printing is straightforward, and you can use either a standard printer or a label printer. Simply attach the label securely to your package, and you're ready to send it off. Depending on the carrier you've chosen, you may also be able to schedule a pickup right from your Shopify dashboard, or you can drop the package off at the nearest location. The best part is that once you create a label, Shopify automatically marks the order as fulfilled and sends your customer a tracking number. This keeps them updated on the status of their package without you needing to do anything extra. If you're shipping internationally, Shopify even generates the necessary customs forms alongside the label, saving you time and hassle. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.